Hello and welcome to Crypto G. Today we will be learning how to buy an NFT on the Altura Marketplace using a desktop browser alongside your wallet on a mobile device. But don't forget, I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. This video is for entertainment purposes only. So first, let's talk about what you'll need. A desktop, PC, or Mac, a mobile device with a wallet, and you'll need enough funds in that wallet to pay for your NFTs and transaction fees. Today I'll be using a Mac and an iPhone, but the process should look the same using Mac or PC desktop and on either iPhone or Android Trust Wallet. Remember, Altura lives on the Binance Smart Chain, so use Smart Chain BNB and have a little extra in your wallet to pay for transaction fees as well. NFTs on the Altura Marketplace can be listed in BNB, BUSD, or Altura token. If you don't have the correct balance of the correct asset to make the purchase, you can use a DEX like PancakeSwap to change over your funds, as I already did before recording this video. Now, go shopping and find that NFT gem to add to your collection, and let's go. So first we want to click on Connect. That will bring up this pop-up, and then click on Wallet Connect. You'll get a QR code on your screen. Now go over to your mobile. In Trust Wallet, go to Settings, then to Wallet Connect, then to New Connection. Now hold your phone up, and you'll get a pop-up in Trust Wallet. Tap Connect. And now the Altura Marketplace is connected to your wallet. You'll see a little circle in the top here with some pixels in it, and that's sort of like your avatar image. Let's click on that. You'll get a signature request on your wallet. Just click Confirm. Alright, so now we can give ourselves a name, make a little bio, and change the picture. So tap on the three dots and tap Edit Profile. Type in your username. Type in a little bio, something about yourself. And you can add a social link if you want to. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Crypto G. And click Update. And oh yeah, don't forget you can also update your profile pic. Click on Edit Profile Pic, choose a file from the window that pops down, and click Update. Alright, let's click on the logo top left corner, go back to the beginning of the marketplace. And now we'll see in the top right corner that our image is updated and our profile is looking good. Scroll down here and go to the collection that you would like to buy from, and go find the NFT that you want to buy. I am buying the Mexico NFT porque hablo español un poquito, and we are going to click on Buy Item. So when you click on Buy Item, it will bring up a list of sellers for that item, and most of the time you'll want to choose the least expensive option. So that's what we'll choose here, the one at the top, for 2.75 BNB. Select your quantity, 1, and click on Purchase. Alright, we'll get a smart contract call on Trust Wallet and tap on Confirm. Okay, we'll wait a few moments. The message here says waiting for transaction. Do not refresh or close this page after sending a transaction. This may take a few minutes. Now the Binance Smart Chain is typically very fast, only taking a few seconds. There we go. We can see that the Smart Chain BNB has now left our Trust Wallet, and so therefore the transaction must be complete. So I did sit on this page for a few minutes. The message does not seem to go away, so I just went ahead and refreshed the page, and everything was okay. So now that we own the NFT, we can see we have Approve for List and Send and Approve for Buying. If we scroll down through the list of holders, we can find ourselves right there in the list of holders. Congratulations! You are now an owner of one of the fine NFTs on the Altura Marketplace. So that's all for today. If you like what you saw, drop me a like, and if you want to see the next thing I put out on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Cheers.